She still heard Mama's words, even years after leaving home.
You'll never be enough.
Even success couldn't silence the voice that said she wasn't enough.
You never listen, do you?
And now abide faith, hope, love, these three. But the greatest of these is love.
It's a new day, a new beginning.
She no longer needed Mama's approval. She found her worth in truth.